Hey guys, quick video today. We're going to be seeing if we can get this Corvette the rest of the way to the new house. Follow along. We got a few minor issues we got to deal with. As it stated in a previous video, my plan was to bring this to a local garage where they had a hoist. They could get it up in the air and they could diagnose the transmission leak, and they've done that. Turns out the pan gasket, which really surprises me, was leaking, because I'd put a bunch of effort into that, and the main leak was the shifter seal, and they actually had to replace it twice. But here it sits. Maybe get some leakage from the power steering system, but the transmission no longer leaks. Probably noticed the battery sitting by the rear wheel here, and I just brought it back from the new garage where it's been on charge overnight. The garage here had to push it in and out the last couple times they moved it. So we've got an electrical problem. I don't think it was a dead battery. We're going to have to go in through the passenger door here. For some reason, the driver's door doesn't want to open. This side, however, is going to cooperate. As we've done before, the battery goes in the bin here behind the driver's seat. Got the positive lead snugged up. Got a nice spark, and the dome light came on. That tells us that we should have some power. Hopefully that has unlocked the driver's door. It'd be inconvenient to have to climb in this thing over the passenger seat and center console. And the driver's door doesn't want to unlock. Perhaps the rod has fallen off from the door handle. It doesn't feel like it's unlatching. Turns over. Windows are down. Let me go around the other side and see if I can convince this thing to open. That certainly isn't the easiest time I've ever had getting into this car. Climbing over the passenger seat was just a little bit interesting. Let's see if we can get this thing to fire up and get it to the new house. This thing definitely needs some more carburetor work. Keep on going. Easy does it. Something tells me that light's going to turn red just about the time we get there. hands. Warmed up a little bit. It's not actually running that bad. Still can't get out the driver's door though. Well guys, we're in the driveway at the new house, and that was really all I had planned for today. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. This actually went about as smooth as it possibly could have, given what we have to work with. Definitely this car still needs some work, and we will get to that in future videos, but we'll get there eventually. If you got this far, give me one of those thumb up things, and hey, if you haven't already done so, why don't you hit that subscribe button and maybe ring the bell icon, and we'll continue showing you some projects from Doug's Messy Garage. Thanks for stopping by.